How to delete messages on your PlayStation console. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will show you how you can delete all your PlayStation messages right from your console. So you want to make sure to simply stick with me till the end. Now over time you might have received lots of friend requests and you might use some of the messages to send and receive data between phone and your console as well. And in order to actually delete all of your messages, what you need to do is, first of all, you want to navigate to the inbox tab, which is obviously your messages tab over here. After you navigate to it, go to the all button over here. You'll be able to see a list of chats that I've made over the past. If I would like to delete a specific chat over here, let's say that the third one, and if I want to delete this chat, all I have to do is press the options button on my controller, and here you'll find the option called leave group. Now you won't find the option called delete messages because that's simply not possible. What you can do is you'll find the option called leave group. You just need to click on it once. As you leave the group, the message is going to be removed from inbox feed. As you can see right over here, the message has simply been disappeared. And you can also see some of the other group chats or any of the other inboxes that you might have chatted with in the past. Just press the options button again, repeat the process, choose the option called leave group, and then do this for any of the other groups that you want to leave as well. Choose the option called leave group from the bottom, and again confirm the changes. And that's all it takes to delete messages on your PlayStation console. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.